Hey guys, it's Rio. It's been a while for a plan with me, but today we're going to be doing April 9th through the 15th. So let's just get started. So I'm going to try to link as many of the pages that I use down below. I will try not to forget, I promise. So the first thing that I wanted to show you was this planner spread here. I'm not really sure where this is from, but I will definitely go and link it down below. I know I have it on my Pinterest board under planners, and I actually went and redid my whole Pinterest board on the planner stuff. It's under planner kits, I do believe. If I forget, sorry in advance if I do. I'm also going to use 3 different types of washi tape. And I know there's some odds and ends that I've had in my stash, and if I can remember where I got them from, I'll definitely link it below, but if not, I'm sorry. So we're going to start with having the top row covered. I do like it when planner kits have like a little section for the top parts, so you can redo it here. It makes it look a little bit more cleaner. I also have a problem with washi tape, and I try to like line it up as much as possible. I don't know, I've always like tried to do that, although I don't really care if I cut it straight at the end, so I don't really know what the deal of that is. I'm rambling a little bit, but I'm just going to put those on in a staggered pattern because of the fact that I don't want to worry too much about it being in a straight line. I think it gives it a little bit more dimension this way. Next up, we're going to do the boxes. I do like to have my to-do boxes like staggered as well. Not so it's not uniformity, like not too uniform, but kind of uniformed. You know what I mean? I don't know. That's just my preference, I guess. I also needed to get a weekend banner, and I know I have this one under the utilities in my planner Pinterest board because I want to keep them on hand, because sometimes the planner kits don't always come with one, so I like to be a little bit prepared. Then we're going to put the little decor pieces in between. This one is a little on the smaller side for my happy planner, but I think eventually it'll work. It all comes together, so I'm not too worried about the size. And I'm just cutting out a couple more pieces that I know I'm going to be using from the planner kit. And trying to figure out what to do with these like kind of weird wise washi tapes. I did end up going and putting some as like a little decorative piece on it. I do like how it turned out this way, so I'm pretty happy with it. This thing here that I'm messing around with is just a big piece of cardstock that I had like laying around. Definitely when you're doing planner spreads, what I love about them is you can use scrapbook, you can use post-its, you can use whatever you want to decorate your planner. I'm just putting up stuff on my little side section here. These, I'm not really sure where I got them. They were from a couple weeks ago, and I'm just putting more checklists on days that I know I'm going to be a little bit busier. I'm just putting more decorative pieces down. Okay, so I ended up putting like a block of washi tape and then putting that big like piece of cardstock in the middle. So I want to put like a quote there just so it's a little bit more decorative, because that is the weekend, so I don't usually get much done on the weekends. I'm also putting washi tape on the bottom. I would definitely go and like put that one all the way to the end. That one's kind of bugging me now, so I might fix that later. Okay, so this sticker right here, I know I got from the Dollar Tree a while ago. I hope they still have them there. I kind of just bought like 4 or 5 of those sticker sheets packs, so I kind of use them throughout. I'm actually running out, so I would actually try to find some in the near future, so you might be seeing that in a Dollar Tree haul sometime, hopefully. Then I have a couple appointments, so I'm putting appointment trackers that I've had forever. And then I'm searching through my stash to find a couple more things that fit in the spread, because I have a couple of little sections that need to be filled, and I really don't remember where this is from because this is like years ago. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished spread. Let's go and take a closer look. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day. If you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know every time I make another video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!